Welcome to the MCP Point User Guide. In this step-by-step walkthrough, we'll show you how to help your customer create their own UPI ID and QR code, even if they've never used digital payments before, using the MissCallPay Business App. No stress, no confusion, just a simple, secure, and empowering process. Step 1. Open the MissCallPay Business App. Start by logging in with your registered mobile number. Quick, easy, you're in. Step 2. Access the UPI ID and QR creation feature. 1. Scroll to the bottom of the dashboard. Tap on Facilitate UPI ID and QR creation. You'll now be redirected to MissCallPay's official webpage, where you'll guide your customer through creating their UPI ID and QR code. Step 3. Enter and verify customer's phone number. Type in your customer's mobile number. Make sure it's linked to their bank account. Tick all necessary checkboxes to ensure compliance and customer consent. This is important. Then, tap Get Verification Code. The customer will receive a 4-digit code on their phone. Enter the code into the web page and tap Proceed. Step 4. Select Customer's bank and account. Use the search bar to find your customer's bank. A list of accounts linked to the mobile number will appear. If there are multiple, help them identify the one they want to use for UPI by selecting either the last 2 or 4 digits of the bank account displayed on the choices. Step 5. Enter debit card details. Only if the customer is comfortable and permits, ask for debit card details, which are the last 6 digits and are expiry. Please note, never ask or accept full details of debit card or ATM PIN or CVV. These are not required and prohibited. Only the last 6 digits and the expiry month and year are all that you need to onboard your customer. This makes onboarding through MissCallPay's assisted UPI ultra secure. Enter the last 6 digits of their debit card. Enter the expiry month and year. Then tap Get UPI OTP. Step 6. Set UPI PIN via OTP. The customer will now receive a one-time password, OTP, from their bank. This OTP is for them alone. They don't need to share it with anyone, including you. They'll use this OTP in the next step on a secure voice call to set their UPI PIN using their phone keypad. Step 7. Start the ultra-secure UPI Over Voice onboarding. Tap Click here to receive Call to Pay by UPI Over Voice. Your customer will get an instant call from MissCallPay's official numbers 0806907-999 or 0796907-999. On the call, they'll enter their verification code, follow step-by-step voice prompts, and finally set or confirm their UPI PIN securely using their keypad. As the agent, you'll see the onboarding status in real time on your screen so you can guide and support. But remember, you'll never see or hear the customer's UPI PIN. That stays private, always, making MissCallPay's UPI onboarding ultra-secure and hassle-free. Step 8. UPI ID and QR code. Success. Once the UPI PIN is confirmed, congratulations! You've successfully onboarded your customer using MissCallPay's ultra-secure UPI Over Voice technology. The customer's unique UPI ID and QR code will appear instantly on your screen. You can now download a PDF of the QR code, print and laminate the PDF file, which includes 2 pocket QRs and 1 A5 size QR, or share the digital QR via WhatsApp for instant use. Reminders for agents. Remind your customer never to share their UPI PIN. Not with you, not with anyone. Encourage them to only use their official QR code for receiving payments. If onboarding fails, double-check each step, mobile number, card details, etc. And try again, key safety and practical tips. Every step of this process is designed with privacy and security in mind. The customer enters their UPI PIN only on their phone, not on any screen, not allowed, and not shared with anyone. This process works smoothly for customers with feature phones, low digital literacy, or those who feel unsure about digital payments. With their new UPI ID and QR code, your customers can now receive digital payments from any UPI app hassle-free, securely, and instantly. You've just made digital payments simple and accessible for them. Thank you for using MCP Point. With every successful onboarding, you're not just helping someone go digital, you're helping them join India's growing digital economy. Let's digitally empower the next billion with MissCallPay.